Hi guys, today I will show you how to hard reset or reset your K10 7th version. There are two ways. First way is go to settings, general, and go backup and reset. Now factory data reset, this option gonna reset and delete all data from your phone. Second way, to enter your phone to hard reset, if you don't remember password to your phone, is to power off your device. Be sure to charge your battery at about 50% as much. And now when the phone is power off, press and hold volume down and back button as home button anyway, and after phone vibrate and show logo LG, release back button and stick one more time, still holding volume down. So let's get started. Press and hold both key, release, press back button, and voila, we have a secret menu from you gonna choose yes. Now go yes, I accept by this button, and voila, now the phone gonna delete all data, reset all settings, like you see it's erasing. Be sure to know the Google account. Phone, we're gonna ask you about it in the first power on. And that's all guys, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can tap up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!